Okay, so we finally got out of the house and my husband is exhausted, so he's not coming with us, although we can celebrate later with him. But right now we're going out. We're gonna go do something. I have no idea, so let's go. All right, so there's so many options. We're on the road and we're trying to figure out, there's a big arcade type place for adults that we're gonna try to find. We have no data in any of our phones to find out anything. You do not. I do. And so we want to go to Polcari's, but is Polcari's near this place, this big arcade? I want to go with his bright lights and fun. We can go see a movie. No, it's the arcade place.
Why does it say that it's 58 miles away?
It probably is. All right, this place ends in an O, so it's got to be a good Italian place. So I'm going to check it out.
Oh wow, screws.
Germany, 1903. Are you sure? Look at all this. France, United States, England.
You know they could have just made them like...
Yeah, these look like scooter grips.
That's me.
They look like scooter grips.
It's blaspheming.
No,
It's blaspheming. I'm not even joking.
Hey, these are the old scooter grips back in the day.
Oh, but they're pogo sticks.
Oh yeah, pogo sticks. They can be anything. All right. Oh boy, right in the middle. All right, thank you. Okay. Wow.
Birthday lunch.
Oh yes, thank you. What did you get?
I got french fries and delicious ziti.
Oh my gosh, pasta. Look at the plates. Will you please? All right, and you, what did you get?
Chicken tenders, raviolis, breadsticks, bread, chicken tenders, ziti, spaghetti, soup, eggplant.
Oh, you did not. Anyway,
Parmesan.
The first part was correct. And wait till you see what I got. We'll be back. Nice.
The butter's perfectly softened. Don't eat too much of this though, because then you're gonna be full. Oh, I'm eating all of it, baby.
Rachel, you say that.
How do I move that to this?
One big meatball. You have to stab it.
I can't hold it.
Kid size. Is this for real? People, I want you to see this. Oh my god, big.
Daddy, you ordered yours.
I never saw this. I could feed my whole family with this. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what we can do here. Wow, look at these wraps. That's nice. Wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna put the grated cheese. What am I thinking? Oh my gosh, and the red pepper flakes. Pretty good. I have a question. How was the chicken? How was everything?
Here.
Hey, that was nice.
Alright guys, we out here. We'll see you at the movie theaters.
Oh. All right, we just left this restaurant, and because I'm so used to cooking my own food, and especially with no sugary stuff, right now I don't know what was in the sauce. You never know, but I just don't feel good. My head feels cloudy, and I just feel gross. Even though it tasted pretty good. That's how I feel. It's all right. It's all right. We had a little dilemma. We had to pull over with all this traffic for a spider. Is everybody all right?
No.
That was the one that was in my bag. No, I wasn't grossed at all. It's just
You've been holding a spider hostage?
The kook is. Keep going.
The cooks. I have a phone pocket.
Watch out for the cars. Let's not kill ourselves here.
Oh, I just don't want my overshirt.
At least we had a very nice dinner before we died.
That's why I'm like this. I just don't
Before
want.
we died,
I
yeah.
just don't want my shirt.
Tell that to Seth. Don't tell it.
Wow, crazy. What?
Rampage is playing.
No. Yeah, but what's it like?
Rampage.
Oh my gosh, what are we doing here?
Look, Rampage.
Let's go see what it's about. So to let you know, you might think, oh yes, this looks really cute. Well, there's a lot of swearing. Horror. And so, I mean, we're checking out this one now. Oh, Common Sense
I want to watch
Media?
that so bad.
That's where you go. You go to Common Sense Media, so we're trying to find out this one here. You go to that website and we'll tell you if it's good or bad. This so far says it's family friendly. Yeah, right. And what else? They're swearing too? I don't believe. What kind of family friendly?
Really bad.
Yeah, it depends what kind of family. Oh my gosh, what does it say?
Avengers, right?
Oh my gosh, what does it say? Not constant, but there are a couple of. Oh my! Are you serious? Oh, come on.
In a family movie?
Yeah. What kind of family are they talking about? It depends. Some of you families may like this type of trash. All right, so we try to go to the movies, but we can't because there's always something horrifying, and I'm not putting my money where there's trash, and I'm not gonna subject my family to trash. All right, so every time we go to the movies, almost, we have to leave it. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's trash. It's pouring down rain. My shoes are horrible.
And my hat.
And you're going to step in the puddles. Watch out. So, oh, this is so far away in the rain. Let me go get the car. Forget this, dude. I'm still going to soak and wet. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get the car. All right. It's not our fault that the perverts want to make the movies trash and then charge you for it. Yes, it would be a sin to subject your eyes, ears, and any part of your body, soul into that type of atmosphere. So I am not sitting, and I'm not going to, and I am not going to pay for it. So we're going to go play video games. Who needs to watch the Avengers with swearing when we can have our own adventures with being pure? Oh, okay. Well, we just thought of something. Well, I just thought of something even better than an arcade. I have a better place. But wait a minute, how do I get there? Okay. I got to figure out how to get there. I'm probably going to go the long way. I don't even know how to get there exactly. But I have a surprise.
Is it going to be closed?
Oh, it's going to be great.
Is it going to be closed?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, gosh. I don't know if I can.
Why?
Well, it won't matter. We're going anyway. All right. Can you believe this? My daughter has never been bowling. I said, "You ever go into a bowling alley?" She goes, "No." I'm like, "What kind of mother do you have?" So she's never gone. Let's get her in there, huh? Well, I don't have my socks on, and neither does Sarah, so we're going to have to set these sweaty, smelly socks that have been sitting in.
What?
Sarah's never been into a bowling alley before. What kind of parents do you have? Oh. Are we in the right place?
I have no idea.
No, this does not look like...
That way?
Well, they got pool, though. They got all kinds of games.
Is it a hotel? It's in this place. I know.
It feels like we're in a hotel. Oh my gosh. You know why? Because nobody's around. Everybody's in school. Oh, maybe not. Oh, this way, guys. Oh. Let's start dancing. Okay. Let's see Sarah's reaction. Aww. Oh, it's fun.
You're recording me do this.
Are you recording me do this?
No.
Oh, it's over here we want to. Do you want to be over there?
It's over there.
You want to be over here? I don't know if there's any spots. Or over here. Hey.
They're glow in the dark.
I know. I don't know if there's any
That's
spots.
what we do.
There might not be spots open. There might be. Maybe on this side right here. Let's go ask. Come on. Sweaty socks from the car. Oh. I feel like I'm from the 1950s.
Okay, can
Look at my new socks and shoes. Okay.
Alright, each bowler's name.
Who's Sarah?
All right. We're going to enter in people's names.
Where's the backspace?
They don't have a
Nobody here.
back. We're like typing each other's names.
All right. Seth, not yet.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna get it in the gutter.
Rachel, Seth, and
it's
then
all
Lisa.
of
You're
which
supposed to
is
put
me.
Marmy.
Lola, which is Rachel.
Okay, let's get started. Right down the middle, Sarah. Want me to show you how it's done?
Go.
Keep it in the lanes. Oh, that's good. Oh. Hey! Very good. One more. Too bad. In the gutter it goes.
I totally
All right, Kukas, you're next.
Alright. Wait.
Is it a Kukas? Oh, Lola's next. Right down the middle with a lot of strength. Come on, girl. Come on. Ooh. Okay, now you get 2 more tries. Go.
Do it.
Not bad for never having to do it. I guess the Xbox or whatever you did.
Nice.
One more. Go.
I'm losing.
Get used to it.
Just show him who's boss. Don't you dare. Stop it.
I'm not.
Go. Hey, there's guardrails here? Wait a minute. How are we supposed to get in the gutter?
You can't get it.
Who put those up?
Huh?
Are they always up?
How many you get down?
I have a question. All right, do not throw them up in the air now.
Alright, boy.
Seth Angelus is up next.
If this is so bad, don't put it in.
Have you? Oh, you've bowled before.
No?
Yeah,
When?
in Cub Scouts.
Cub Scouts. Oh, like 5 years ago.
Here you go.
Alright, ready,
Hey,
guys?
Sarah.
I got you, fam.
Mama.
In the middle, Seth. Oh, he's a lefty, and he got the gutter. Come on. You can scoot. You can do this.
I know.
He's a lefty. Look how cute. In the middle. Nice, better, and in the gutter. Wow, huh? So if he never gets it down, do we have to hit the button?
Nope, we hit 0.
Come on, Seth Angelos. Right down the middle. Better. Okay. 2, 4. Oh, good. So there's only 4, so 6 down. Better. Wow, right down the middle, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! Nice. I have no idea. Maybe I don't know. All right, go ahead. Go, go, go. Maybe it's telling us that there's something in the aisle there. Okay, so 7 down.
Yeah.
But I do have speed, right?
Yeah.
I do have speed.
Unlike
All right.
me.
Right down the middle.
Unlike
Come on.
me.
Get it? Birthday power. Woohoo!
There it is.
Be careful. What if it falls to the floor? All right, ready? Olive is in the lead. That is going right down the middle. Woohoo! He got a strike, ladies and gentlemen. All right. That's my son.
Strike.
My son.
Hey.
No. Oh, yeah, you have to push it now.
Strike.
Oh my gosh, strike! Oh, they just showed it on the screen. That was awesome. Woohoo! Very good.
Strike 2, ready?
Strike 2. Yeah, in baseball you don't want the strikes. Over here you want the strikes. Isn't that bizarre? I still just knocked down another one. Sometimes the other pins knock them down. All right, go on. Seth got 89.
No, that's not the final score, though. Yeah,
What do you mean? It is. Sarah got second place with 57.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Lola, wow, I beat you by 1 point.
Dude,
Woo!
but that was just for the
You don't know what flavors you got?
I just asked for anything.
What? You asked for anything?
I said your best flavor.
Your best flavor? We'll find out what it is. Do you like it?
I guess, yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, it's cake batter.
Cake batter.
And then I got cake batter.
Black raspberry.
You're watching me eat it later.
Really stop on this side now.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'm gonna do the same as hers, but
Whoa.
bubblegum and cake batter. And
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
I'm gonna like tip it.
Okay, all sugar free, and it's for me. Okay, so that's it. What better thing to be doing than to eat ice cream in the rain, right? Yeah. Not bad. Who knows what other kind of poisons they put in here?
Shelby.
Well, this was a beautiful day. Now we'll go home, see Miff, if he's awake. Happy birthday, Marmy. And 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Daddy. One more thing. This is the end of the evening, and I have to say, when I got home, there were so many beautiful messages from all my friends and family wishing me happy birthday, singing songs, to be surrounded by so much love, and especially, I am a mummy sandwich. And I'm just surrounded by the best gift of all, our children, and they're free. So I'm so excited. Watching The Wizard of Oz. So I cannot ask for more. What a great day. A blessed day with my family. And the best part was free.
And this is my room. And you're all here. And I'm not going to leave here ever, ever again. Because I love you all. And, oh, Auntie M, there's no place like home.